Giga Chad. Giga Chad is a meme coin that was released in this run, and it has done fairly well over the sort of the bull run that we have seen. But right now, unfortunately, the markets are absolutely tanking, and I'm here today to do a video on Giga Chad to show you guys how we can actually make some money trading this asset here, and a price prediction for this asset as well. So we're going to start off with Giga Chad, looking at just the general meme here. As you can see, it's obviously super Chad, massive jawline. It's just quite iconic, right? As I said, it's an iconic meme, and it's based off a photo shoot of a Russian bodybuilder, okay? Now, let's go over onto CMC. Really itchy nose here. And just look at this market, because right now, this thing has absolutely exploded here over the last day. We're talking 9.5% to the upside, reclaiming $140 million market cap, which, comparing this to other assets like PopCap, for example, is down 31% in a month, down 27% in the last day here, and also say Pudgy Penguins, they're also down 30% in a day, whereas Giga Chad is up around 9% here on the day. 7-day, not so hot, okay, still down 15%, but the rest of the market is also down as well, okay? But we are going to be looking at this chart, looking at how we can actually make money through trading this asset through this price volatility now, okay? So that is the 7-day, 15%. Let's look at the 1 month, 17% on the 1 month. So overall, it's actually not come down that much here. We saw a bit of a spike to the upside, and now we're pretty much roughly at that 3-week break-even period, okay, which isn't too bad here. There's definitely room for growth. You can see over the last year, 900% is what has happened here, okay? And if you're buying this thing now, look at the price action we could experience again here to the upside when this thing recovers, okay? This thing is not young, guys. It's nearly, I think it's over a year old now. Yeah, it's just coming up to a year old, this asset, and to still be at $142 million market cap in this current market, it's a very, very bullish thing. If you actually look at if we just look at the meme coin ranking here, I can actually show you here where Giga Chad is. Okay, so if we go to memes on CMC, you can see that Giga Chad is you've got obviously the top 10, top 20. So it's in the top 30 meme coins out there, guys. Okay, that is saying something. Okay, that is saying something right now. So it's definitely got room for growth, but definitely not a meme coin that I see dying. Okay, it's not a meme coin that I see dying. It's very iconic from a meme ability standpoint. But in the meantime, let's get into the chart. Let's see where we can actually make some money trading this asset. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, like Phantom, but they're in a pre-sale phase, guys. It's actually a chance to make money with this pre-sale here. And let me explain to you how. So what these guys are doing, they've actually released a new utility for their Web3 wallet, which other Web3 wallets haven't done yet. It's basically a contactless payment card that you can pay for things with your phone using your crypto. So it's bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 using the Best Wallet ecosystem. Okay, they've already got 100,000 users. They're rated 4.5 star here on the Google Play Store, and they raised $11.5 million. Okay, so that's super, super bullish here for them to be doing that. Usually with a raise of this caliber, you're likely going to see big exchange listings for this asset. Okay, maybe Binance, maybe listing, definitely Mexi, definitely LBank, definitely some of these tier 2 Bybit exchanges as well. That's usually what happens when you see such a big raise. But I just think it's a great golden opportunity that you guys should go and check out. Okay, now without further ado, let's get into the chart. Let's get into the Giga Chad chart, and let's see what we are working with. We're going to be starting off here on the daily chart here over on Mexi, because it's quite interesting to actually look at this from a real macro perspective here, because you can see obviously we saw some really nice price action to the upside, setting that all-time high here back in the start of the year. Now since then, it's been an absolute bloodbath. We did see us actually get a lot lower than this on the 10th of March. Okay, we did see us get a lot lower, and we did see a really big rebound here of actually 176%, which does show that that there is still buying pressure and there is still a demand here. Usually if there was no demand, we would not have bounced back nearly a 3x here, guys, okay? So what are we really looking out for now? Obviously, the markets are still going down. Okay, it's still bearish out there. But what can we do, and how can we profit here from GigaChad itself? So what we're going to do, the first thing is draw some trend lines in as to what we can see happening. That's a falling wedge. Falling wedges, guys, they tend to usually break to the upside. This will be the measure move potentially here. We look for that break point, and then we long that asset inside of this move. Probably around a 23%, not too shabby at all. And then we're going to be taking profit at all relevant potential resistance points which have caused trouble in the past. Now, as you can see, we've got one here, we've got one here, and also we've got one here as well. So these are going to be our take profits. Usually I like to do 4 TPs in a move here. So if we can get that one in there as well. As you can see, there is a nice bit of resistance there. So this would be our entry. I'm going to ride this wave up, 4 TPs, all the way up for 23%. That's the trade. Let me know what you think in the comment section of that trade, guys. And before I end the video, make sure you go check out Best Wallet, guys. Massive opportunity there to make copious amounts of cash. Obviously, go do your own research, but overall, looking pretty good. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.